Hi everyone, in today's video I will compare chat and cowork models in Claude. So in this video I will compare chat and cowork models in Claude. I will show you the difference and I will explain when to use each. So we can start. What is a chat? Chat is, I think, the best for example, fast answer, explanations and content generation. It does not interact with your files. It is very important because Claude Cowork, as you probably know or you watched the previous videos, can actually interact with your physical computer. He can save files, he can read files from your folder that you will connect it to. So this is very important. And in this video I will show you the difference because I will run the same prompt in the chat, like the normal chat model, and in the cowork, and you will see the difference in terms of how does this model behave. So we can start with normal chat. So I will ask it to create a one-page project plan for launching a small, for example, website, and save it as projectplan.txt. So this is the prompt. I will maybe correct that. So project, and you will see what is going to happen. This is a normal chat. As I said, this chat is the best for answers, for generation, for like general content, but I will run it here. So it is creating a one-page project plan for a small website. As you can see, we have the file right here. So we will wait. As you can see, risks. And we have it presenting a file. We have projectplan.txt, and we have something like this. This file is ready. The plan covers a 6-week timeline across the 5 phases. It is not really important, but the most important thing is how the txt file looks like. So as you can see, we have it in the cloud. This file is inside of cloud, not on our computer. We can actually save that, but we have to do it manually by pressing either on download as PDF, or copy that, paste it to some like program that can store text and then save it, but it's not really comfortable because if the file is longer, for example, or more complicated, you can have some problems with that. So this is why this chat is not the best for generating files. If we will go to Cowork, maybe I will create a new task. As you can see, I am connected to documents and cloud right now on my computer. I connected to it in the previous video, I think. If you don't know how to connect to a folder with cloud, you can either watch my video or you can just click on this choose a different folder button. But we'll run the same prompt, so maybe I will copy that. It will be easier, and you will see what is going to happen. So I will run it, and as you can see, we have the progress bar, we have the cloud instruction, context, and so on. But the most important thing is here. So the model is thinking, it is creating, as you can see, we have to wait a bit. Maybe I will open that folder for you. So as you can see, done. We can either watch it here. So view your project plan. It covers 4-week timeline across your 4 phases. So it is a little bit longer because we didn't specify exactly what this plan needs to contain. But the most important thing is that we have it in the cloud folder right there. So this hello.txt file is from the previous video, so it is not important for now. The most important thing is that project plan.txt, which I can open. and as you can see, we have it here. It looks similar to the previous one, but we have it actually on our computer. So this is why it is so comfortable. So as you can see, this is the difference. When you are going to use this prompt with the file in the chat, like the normal chat model, you will simply get the answer inside of the application without saving it into a direct TXT file on your computer. When you are going to run it in the Cowork will allow it, Cowork model allows it to save it as a TXT file inside of your physical computer. So that's why I recommend to use Cowork with working in order to work with files, folders, and some other things that you need to save in your physical computer. And that's all in this video. This is the difference between chat and Cowork in cloud. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.